Hello all together, welcome again to our channel. Today, I'm going to introduce to you such cakes which are free from fondant, icing or frosting. We know that fondant is made from sugar, water, gelatin, vegetable or fat shortening and glycerol. Almost the same with the icing and frosting. Frosting is made of sugar, white eggs, and sometimes we use butter, and sometimes we use also milk, evaporated milk or a fresh milk. But these cakes that I'm going to show you, these cakes are free from too much sugar. We don't need more sugar to our cakes because as we bake it, we put already a sugar and we coated some chocolates, which chocolates also has a sugar. So this is good for those who has diabetes because we minimize or we don't add more sugar to our cakes, and it is so delicious and it's also beautiful and pretty looking cake without fondant, frosting or icing. We have here the first strawberry cake with a fresh harvested strawberries from the garden. And the second one is the cherry cheesecake with a homemade bottled cherries. The third one is the egg liqueur, again a homemade egg liqueur. And our cake is coated with full milk chocolates. And we have here a poppy seeds cake coated with white chocolates and some toppings with brown chocolate flakes. And here is our biscuits with apricot jam. And the last one is the cappuccino moist cake with a full milk brown chocolate. So those are the cakes without fondant, icing or frosting, less sugar. They are also beautiful and pretty looking, and of course so delicious and yummylicious without fondant and icing or frosting. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.